Hey guys, this is Rohi and welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home for a Complete Home. And today's recipe is one of the kids' favorite pizza. And this is a healthy pizza which I prepared with whole wheat flour in a kadai without oven and also without yeast. It really tastes yummy, so please do try this. Let's begin with pizza sauce. For this, in a pan, I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and I have added chopped onions and also chopped garlic. Fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add chopped capsicum. Fry these for 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt and chili powder as per your taste. Saute this for a minute and add 1 cup of tomato ketchup. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame. Add oregano and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Switch off the flame and transfer in a bowl. In a bowl, I have taken homemade paneer cubes, added salt as per your taste, chili powder as per your taste, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon garam masala. Here I have added tandoori chicken masala. It's optional. Add 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix until all the paneer cubes coat well. In a pan, take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and add paneer cubes. Fry on both sides. Now you can see here the paneer cubes are well fried. Transfer in a bowl and keep it aside. Let's prepare pizza base. For this I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour, half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon baking soda and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients. Now add half cup of fresh curd. Mix well until we get soft dough. Add some more curd if required. Knead the dough continuously for 5 minutes. Clean the hands with some dry powder and apply 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and knead for 5 minutes. Separate this dough into 2 portions and apply some oil. Close the lid and rest this for 10 minutes or until we cut all the veggies. Preheat the kadai with salt in a high flame for 10 minutes and place a wire rack on it. Close the lid. Now let's roll the base. Apply some dry flour and roll the base into thick. You can see the thickness. Take a steel plate and apply some oil. Place the base on top of it and press the dough in the corner. Keep holes with the help of fork. Apply pizza sauce on top of the base. Now spread pizza cheese. Here I have used Britannia cheese. Now place fried paneer pieces. Add capsicum and onions on top of it. Apply oil on corners of the base. Now sprinkle some oregano. This is the cheese which I used in this pizza. Now place the pizza in a preheated kadai and close the lid and cook for 14 to 15 minutes in a high flame. Now you can see here it's completely cooked. Yummy and cheesy paneer pizza is ready. Let's quickly remove from the kadai. Now cut this pizza. Believe me friends, this tastes really delicious. Friends, quickly I'll show you how to prepare chili flakes at home. Fry these chilies in a medium flame. Once it is cooled down, grind this into coarsely, not into fine powder. So our chili flakes are ready to top on the pizza. Top these chili flakes on the pizza. Friends, do try this healthy atta pizza and post your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. You can see from the back side how well it is baked. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and do press the bell icon to get notifications of my new videos. I am sure your kids will love this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.